What is up, guys? We're back at it again with another video. So today I'm actually gonna be playing Pixel today. And sorry I've been not uploading a lot. I'm just gonna be uploading today. And today I'm gonna be showing you my loadout and how to do 2 category spam or 3 category spam. So let's get into the video. So, and also I'm gonna show you how to change your username. So yeah. So basically what you need to do is how to do 3 category spam or 2 category spam is get your favorite guns and gather them together. So I prefer in primary a shotgun. So for me I chose Xmas Destroyer, which is a shotgun. And then here I chose Exterminator, or you can choose the Hot Greeting, but it's in the battle pass, so it'll take a long time to get. Or the Mercenary, or the Nuclear Revolver. And I just started, guys, so yeah. Or you can use a Barrier Rifle. So yeah. What I also prefer for the heavy is Rocket Jumper. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, I'm just gonna choose random right here. Sorry about the background, guys. And then I'm just gonna choose pool, classic pool. It used to be called Pool Party, but now there's like a new map called. So basically, you just launch yourself in the air, and then just do. So first, what you need to do is get your knife. You don't like. I prefer the regular knife only. And then what you need to do is get the gun, shoot it, go back to the knife, and then go here. Shoot it, go back here, go. And then I'll practice your aim first. Wow, wait. I'm not that good, guys. And let's try it in a match. I'm actually just started like 3 category spam, so. Oh wow, all might. Guys, I'll see you after when I stop this ad. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna be trying out in the match, and I'll prefer duels the most, cause you gotta go by yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna go in the map of Ghost Town. Ghost Town is actually a really old map that I know, and they added a new team fight thing called Ghost something, I don't know. But yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, there's a Grog user. Sorry about the background, guys. And yeah. Okay, so we found a match, guys. Is this guy? I think this is gonna be a hard challenge. But yeah. I hate how on the top it says match will start in 20 seconds and then countdown. I wish it was like 10 seconds or like 15 seconds. So yeah. I also will giving okay. Sorry guys about the oh wow, I'm not concentrated. I actually just started this 3 category spam thing, so guys, yeah. Okay, I'm just. I hate how that happens. Like, you get distracted by the machine. I hate how people always use heavies as like a gun. I was about to say, but there is a glitch where you can actually launch out the map. And thank you for ca6 or ca6 or something for sponsoring me for making videos like this. That was like one spam freaking thing. I tried launching myself in the air. That was a close call. I hate that gun. Well, I don't hate it. I just kind of get mad if people use it a lot. This guy's getting on my nerves. Let's got him. But we didn't lose. We lost, but I'm actually showing you how you do it. And I lost. At least I actually did it. And then I'm going to show you how to have a cool user. And it's actually pretty weird, but so yeah. So iPhone, I prefer Unicorn Pad Express for iOS, and Android for sorry guys, but Android for Unicode Pad, and iOS is Unicode Pad Express. So I'm gonna see you when I get into the app. Okay guys, so I actually have my setup right now, guys, but this is how you do it. So basically just select anything that looks close to your numbers that you want. Like, let's just say you wanted like 6, or like the devil's phone number, like 666. Okay, let's just don't say that, but let's do it. So I'm just gonna do my regular user, Grog 111. Okay, so I'm trying to look for a G. So I can't actually find a G right now. Wow, that's surprising. I do not know Japanese, or whatever it says. Well, that's cool. I should use that for like one thing. So I'm gonna search for G, and then put like an effect. What the? G, and then let's search for R. So like a R, and then O. Oh, that looks cool though. So I'm gonna choose like a G effect thingamajiggy. What the? G. Something is wrong. Okay. I'm just gonna choose G. Why did these take up like lots of space? Sorry guys about the background. I'm just, my brother's right next to me. I'm looking for the G. Where is it? So guys, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna pause the video and see you when I find my formation. Guys, so how to make this special effect is go to where these things are. I'm just gonna show like these things right here. And what you need to do is actually press on them. Wait, dang it. You go in the middle of them and then press it. And then it will actually make it like in a special effect. So I'm just gonna go hit this one. And then I don't think you can. Okay. So yeah, when you're done doing it, guys, say copy. And then it says copy to clipboard. What you need to do is go back to your Pixel Gun lobby, and then I'll show you. So guys, what you need to do is go to your on the top left corner, click on it where your name is. You can see I already did it, but what you need to do is basically hold So say paste, and then that'll be part of your name. Then say done, and then boom. You added the special effect to your name, and that's how you do it. Friend request me, my ID's right there. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed how to learn how to do 3-cat spam, 2-cat spam. And I hope you are joining the notification army. My name is this. I don't think you can friend request a person with a name like that, but yeah. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and peace out, guys.